In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on X, formerly Twitter, using a simple method on your PC. X does not give you a direct list of accounts that have blocked you, but there is still an easy way to check a specific profile and confirm whether that person has blocked you. This is helpful if you suddenly can't find someone's posts, can't follow them, or their profile seems unavailable. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to x.com. Make sure you are signed into your account because you need to check the profile while logged in. Once you are on X, use the search bar at the top to search for the account you want to check. You can type their exact username if you know it, or search by display name if needed. After you find the profile, click on it to open the account page directly. Now, here is the important part. If the profile opens normally, but you are unable to follow the account, cannot see their post, or see a message that says the account is unavailable, suspended, or that you are blocked, that is a strong sign that this user has blocked you. In many cases, X will show a notice indicating that you are unable to view this account's post because you are blocked. If you see that message, then yes, that account has blocked you. If you are not blocked, the profile should load normally and you should be able to see their public information, posts, and follow button depending on their privacy settings. Another good way to confirm it is to check the same profile from a different account or while signed out. If the profile appears normally for another account but not for yours, that usually means your account has been blocked. Keep in mind that X does not offer a block list or a notification telling you exactly who blocked you, so the best method is always to visit the profile directly and compare what you see. Also remember that being blocked is different from being muted, restricted, or if the account was deleted or deactivated. A deleted or suspended account may also look unavailable, so it is important to double check before assuming you are blocked. If you want to test several accounts, repeat the same process for each username one by one. Just search their profile, open it, and look for the block notice or inability to view their content. This is the simplest and fastest way to know if someone blocked you on X using a computer. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.